Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Section number 5, the Seen and Suad series, and it's exercise number 2. Okay, in this exercise I write some of the words in front of you, and your assignment is to write them 5 times in your separate sheet of paper in your notepad. Okay, and while writing, try to pronounce them aloud. Okay, so I'm going to write all these here. So here are the words, and these are the same words which you studied in the previous exercise, but here there are no diacritical marks on these words, and try to write them as you are seeing them on the screen. Okay, and while writing, pronounce them aloud. I pronounce all these for you again. So Sat, Sat, Shan, Shan, Khas, Khas, Jis, Jis, Shah, Shah, Raz, Raz, Sharab, Sharab, Us, Us, Sahab, Sahab, Zid, Zid. Okay, and after writing, compare your results with these words. Okay, and if you have any question, I'm here to help you. Okay, so wish you all the best and take care of yourself till the next session. Allah Hafiz.